Hi friends, this is your A Nurser. Today I have come up with a new lesson on single word substitution. In each of the following questions, out of the four alternatives, choose the one which can be substituted for the given words or sentence. Let me repeat. In each of the following questions, out of the four alternatives, choose the one which can be substituted for the given words or sentences. Here is your first sentence. Strong and settled dislike between two persons. Let me repeat. Strong and settled dislike between two persons. Your four options are A. Apathy, B. Hatred, C. Antipathy, D. Animosity. Let me repeat. A. Apathy, B. Hatred, C. Antipathy, D. Animosity. Let us try to understand the meanings of the above four words. Apathy, Udasinata, Nischinta Bhavam. Hatred, Dvasham. Antipathy, Paga Asahyata. Animosity, Satrutvam. So, your right answer is antipathy. C, option C, antipathy. Strong and settled dislike between two persons. Here is your next sentence. A person who has no money to pay off his debts. Let me repeat. A person who has no money to pay off his debts. Your four options are debtor, B. pauper, C. beggar, D. insolvent. Let me repeat. A. debtor, B. pauper, C. beggar, D. insolvent. The meanings of the above four words are debtor, అప్పు తీసుకునివాడు, రుణగ్రస్తుడు. పాప, ఏ ఆధారం లేనివాడు. బెగ, ముష్టివాడు. ఇన్సాల్వెంట్, దివాలా తీసినవాడు. So, your right answer for the above sentence is option D, insolvent. Your right answer is option D, insolvent. A person who has no money to pay off his debts. Here is your next word. An entertainer who performs difficult physical actions. Let me repeat. An entertainer who performs difficult physical actions. Here are your four options. A. Clown, B. Gymnast, C. Magician, D. Acrobat. Let me repeat. A. Clown, B. Gymnast, C. Magician, D. Acrobat. So now let us understand the meaning of the above four words. Clown, విదూషకుడు. జిమ్నాస్ట్, వ్యాయామ క్రీడలలో నిపుణుడు. మెజిషియన్, మ్యాజిక్లు చేసేవాడు. అక్రోబాట్, వివిధ విన్యాసాలు చూపేవాడు. సో యువర్ రైట్ ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ ఆప్షన్ డి, అక్రోబాట్. Your right answer is option D, acrobat. An entertainer who performs difficult physical actions. Here is your next sentence. A small house with all rooms on one floor. A small house with all rooms on one floor. Here are your four options. A. Bungalow, B. Cottage, C. Flat, D. Castle. Let me repeat. A. Bungalow, B. Cottage. C. Flat. D. Castle. So now let us understand the meanings of the above words. Bangalore, Bangala. Cottage అంటే చిన్న పూరి గుడిసె, సాధారణమైన చిన్న ఇల్లు. ఫ్లాట్ పెద్ద పెద్ద బిల్డింగ్లో ఉండే ఒక అపార్ట్మెంట్ని ఫ్లాట్ అంటారు. కాజిల్ కోట, రాజుగారి కోట, దుర్గం. So your right answer is option A, Bangalore. Your right answer is option A, Bangalore. A small house with all rooms on one floor. Here is your next sentence. A song embodying religious and sacred emotions. Let me repeat. A song embodying religious and sacred emotions. Here are your four options. A. Lyric. B. Ode. C. Hymn. D. Ballad. Now, let us try to understand the meaning of the above four words. Lyric, గేయ కావ్యం, పాడడానికి తగిన గేయ కావ్యం. ఓడే, భావగీతం, ఓడే భావగీతం. హ్యామన్, భక్తి గీతం. బ్యాలెడ్, యక్షగానం. So, your right answer is option C, Hymen. Your right answer is Hymen, a song embodying religious and sacred emotions.